Hey guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So welcome to your channel KSJ Teaching, and this video is really going to be interesting on decoding the CA new course. Finally, ICAI has announced the new course. So before we decode this new course, please subscribe to the channel and press a bell icon because you are getting the full courses free of cost on YouTube with the ultimate concept clarity and the rest of the courses and the handbooks at very affordable prices that you can check it out from our website www.ksjteaching.org. Okay, now coming up to this CA new course decoding, sir. ICAI has announced, but the details are still awaited till 1st of July. So in this video, I'll try to answer a few common queries that students have been asking me in the last 2 days since the announcement of this CA new course. The rest of the details we are waiting till 1st of July. So till then, as per my understanding, what should be there, I will be discussing that, and I'm not any official from the ICAI, right? The rest of the things we will wait till the ICAI clarifies each and everything. Okay, the first thing, applicable from 1st of July, everything is going to be announced on 1st of July, right? Although it is already applicable because as per the gazetted notification, the date is 22nd of June 2023 for the applicability of the new course. So when is going to be the first attempt of this new course? May 2024. So November 2023 students, you are going to appear under the existing scheme only, and the CA foundation student, the December 23 students, those are going to be under the existing scheme only, right? Okay, after that, this is one very common query that, sir, if we clear one group in November 23, can we appear for second group in May 2024 under the existing scheme? The answer is absolutely no. There will be no parallel attempts, right? This has been clearly mentioned in the notification also that with November, the old scheme will end. So from May 2024, you will have to appear under the new scheme. If you appear for group 1 in November 2023, you will have to appear for group 2 under the new scheme in May 2024 attempt. So there will be no parallel attempts. The old course will end with the December 23 examinations. After that, there will be no existing course. There will be a single course, that is the new course, right? Now, this is one very common question, sir. Carry forward of exemptions. How the exemptions will be carried forward? Suppose, let's say you appeared for group 1 in November 23 examinations, right? And you clear your group 1 here. You clear your group 1, right? And then whatever the subjects you have cleared, now in May to the group 2, you will appear in May 24. Like costing, sir, I talk about my subject. Now costing is going to move to group 2, right? From group 1, it is going to be moved to group 2 now under the new course. Sir, then we will have to appear for costing paper again. As per my understanding, you will not have to appear for the costing paper again if you have cleared your group 1, or even if you have scored exemption in the costing, you will be able to carry forward it, and you will not have to appear for the costing examination under group 2 in May 2024. This is what should be there, but we are still waiting for the official word from the ICAI. This is as per my understanding that what should be there by the ICAI, and most likely this pattern is going to be followed. Okay. So this is how the carry forward of exemptions will be there. Yes, exemptions will be carried forward, but sir, if there is exemption in the accounts, then what will happen? So all those small tricky issues, we are waiting what the ICAI has to say on that, right? So if you are appeared for one group in November, for the second group, you will have the automatic conversion. You will automatically be converted to the new course because the old course will not be there, right? Sir, what about the study material then? Do we need to buy the study material again for the new course? Because we already have the study material of the existing course. Do we need to buy it for the new course again? For that, this ICAI will definitely come up with some provision, right? Otherwise, if you see, the study material will be available on icai.org, right? You can just take a printout and all those things, isn't it? Or else the ICAI might come up with some coupons or with some scheme that you can get your study material after the conversion maybe at some nominal charges or maybe free of cost, right? So that will depend. For that, we'll have to wait till 1st of July 2023. That is the CA day. We'll have to wait till that, right? Now, another big question that is coming up is regarding the articleship. Sir, now listen to it very carefully. This is a very, very big question that students have been asking again and again. Sir, what will happen to the articleship? It is clearly mentioned in the notification that if you want to do 3 years articleship, that is under the existing scheme, you have to register till 30th of June 2023. Right? If you have cleared your group 1, you have done your training, right? Then you can register by 30th of June for the 3 years articleship, or else you will have to go for the 2 years uninterrupted 2 years uninterrupted articleship. Now, what is this 2 years uninterrupted articleship? That if you have not cleared group 1, if you have not done your training and you do not register till 30th of June, so from 1st of July, you will have to compulsorily register for this 2 years uninterrupted articleship. But for that, your both groups should be cleared. Your both groups should be cleared. Right? So until and unless you clear your both groups, you will not be able to start your 2 years articleship. So this is the scene of the articleship, right? Now, many students have been asking, sir, what is the benefit? Whether we should be whether we should skip the November attempt and go for the May 2024 attempt directly under the new scheme, right? Should we skip the November 23 attempt? Not at all. Not at all. This is a great chance that you clear your exams under the existing scheme itself, or especially if you are going to appear for group 1 under the existing scheme. Appear for group 1 under the existing scheme in November 2023 exams. What is the benefit, sir? If you clear your group 1, then in May 2024 under the new scheme, you will have to appear only for 2 papers. One will be audit, another one will be FMSM. That's it. You will have to appear for this much only, sir. So why you want to skip that attempt? Please do not skip any of the attempts in the lieu that you will appear under the new course in May 2024. Please do not waste your time, your money, your energy on this thing. You must appear in the November 23 exams. It is anyhow going to be beneficial for you, right? And if you have done your first group and if you are done with your ID training, then go for the registration, 3 years articleship training, go for it. Right? Otherwise, you will have to wait till both the groups, till you clear both the groups. After that 2 years articleship training, the time will come to the same. Right? So you must start with this. So these were a few common queries that I have been getting, sir. Existing students, please concentrate on your November 2023 exams. Just concentrate on that. The rest of the things, when the ICAI will release on 1st of July, we will discuss, we will decode that also in detail, that what you should be doing. But for now, if you are an existing student, November 2023 student, please do not think of skipping the attempt and please focus on clearing your exams in November 23 itself. Right? Please do not focus, or please do not, get swayed away by anyone who says, okay, you skip this attempt and go for the new course in May 2024. Please do not commit this mistake. Not at all. Not at all. You must appear in the November 23 itself and clear your exams. Okay. So these were the few common queries that we have been getting, but still we are waiting for 1st of July for the detailed analysis as well as what will be the study material and all those things, right? So please comment down all those who want a fresh batch of costing and financial management under the new course, right? So please let me know in the comment section how many of you are interested, how many of you are preparing for the new course and you say, sir, we need a fresh batch now for live for costing and financial management under the new course, that is for May 2024. We will prepare for that. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much, guys.